4. Once I saw a little bat come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bat, will you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do I do, but he shook his little tail and far away flew. All of you clap your hands for yourself. Clap your hands.